So as I said before, we all make mistakes, and I did that in spectacular fashion last class when I was trying to prove the at least concept. So I had to go talk to Mr. Roll, had to do a little work in the textbook and on the internet, but I figured it out, and now I can show you why we were wrong. What we know is, theoretically, it makes sense. If I want the probability of at least one ace, I should find the probability of no aces and subtract that from 100%. So the probability of no aces is 4852 to the fourth power, because there's 4 cards, and you want everything but an ace. You subtract that from 1, you get 27.4%. All right. Here's where I was going wrong. I did the probability of finding an ace one time. However, you can find one ace 4 different ways. You could find the ace first, second, third, or fourth in the draw. So what you have to do is find the probability of finding an ace and then multiply it by 4. This gets into the concept of combinations and permutations, which you're looking at for 4.4, section 4.4. I just spaced it, my bad. So we have to multiply that value by 4. Here's the probability, and you see how the 450 seconds moves because the ace occurs at a different time. So all the ways that an ace can occur only one time actually counts for 24% of all possible draws. Then if you look at the probability of getting 2 aces, again, there's a whole variety of ways that can happen. The first 2, the first and the last 2, etc. So there winds up being 6 different ways in that can occur. So you find the probability of getting 2 aces, and here's the math behind that, and it has to happen 6 times. So you multiply those together, you get 3%. Well, 24% and 3%, you can see where this 27% is going to come from. Just to finish it out, though, probability of 3 aces, again, there's 4 different ways that can occur. Find your probability, multiply by 4. Find the way that 4 aces can occur. There's only one way that 4 aces can occur. Add all that up, you get about 27.404%. If you compare that to the 1 minus the probability of 0 aces, it is the same. So that's how it's supposed to work. That's why the at least concept works. As you're moving through section 4.4 and as we revisit section 4.3, you can now trust that 1 minus losing is the correct response.